Hey there, marketing enthusiasts and Wix wizards. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're diving into a topic that can make a huge impact on your online success. That is creating a landing page that converts like crazy. See, if you have been struggling with landing pages, I am excited to share the secrets to conversion. So you are in the right place and we've got you covered. But before we dive into today's video, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We are here to help you. We love the amazing community we've built here on, and your comments and feedbacks are always appreciated. So keep those comments coming and let's keep this conversation going, right? So enough of the intro. Before you can create a landing page that converts, you might want to go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now. But Wix.com is compatible to any known type of browsers, be it Safari, Firefox, Edge. And once you are on Wix.com, sign up and create a new account. It's easy and super fast. And once you've created your account successfully, log in with your credentials, all right? Okay, so step one, define the specific goal of your landing page. I mean, what do you want your visitors to do? I mean, like, is it a newsletter? Are they gonna be signing up a newsletter? Is it an ebook, or a store, or a shop, or a blog? Right? Okay, so you have to look for your specific niche. Okay, and once you have, if you're love writing, you might wanna go to the blog. Okay, so here you can go to support.wix.com. They have a helpful tips to building a website, which is for free, you know, and they also will give you a beautiful templates and design features. They will give you some tips on once you wanted to create on the back end of the site, which is a dashboard. You're gonna be always tweaking in and editing in. They also offer free hosting and storage, and access to hundreds of apps. All right, and I just wanted to share to you that Wix has the desktop and mobile version, for preview. So um, it's really Wix automatically optimizes your site for mobile and desktop, ensuring your visitors have a seamless experience whether they look on any of the device, right? Now, after that, you might want to go to wix.com website templates, right? They have a lot of templates here. So, when you decided to create a new page in Wix, you choose a template that's designed for conventions. I'm sorry, for conversions. So Wix offers a lot of templates tailored to a lot of purposes. So pick one that aligns with your goal. Are you selling products? Are you a life coach? Are you a photographer? So how about we choose this one, okay? This said template. All right. You can customize any of these information. So here on this tab, there's the desktop and there's the mobile version. So once you get a first hand experience with it, you should craft a compelling headline, right? So again, you should craft a compelling headline and sub headline that immediately convey the value of your offer and create a sense of urgency or curiosity. Okay, since you're gonna hook them up to your website, you do not want them to get bored and leave your website prematurely. That's the end goal here. That's why we're doing a page that converts, right? See this one? Okay. And also you can attach image here. You can always attach image here. Remember to use high quality images, all right? Or graphics that supports your message and enhance the overall appeal of the page, and visuals should be relevant to your offer, okay? So you can add image here, just high res. And here about the about me, you should write a persuasive copy a copy that focuses on the benefits of your offer, not just its features. So use concise paragraphs and bullet points for readability, right? And then to optimize your landing page, consider running A/B tests, create variation of the page, and test different elements here. There's a lot of things that you can tweak and mix and match to best resonate with your audience. And once you've done that, you might want to implement analytics and conversion tracking tools to measure the success of your landing page. So that data will make you help data driven improvements in the future. Okay. So once you are here, you will be given to a preview your website, like here. And if you want to publish it, okay, you will be asked for save and continue. And the Wix will offer a free subscription, but of course, you might want to go and upgrade the plan so that you will have more control over your website's features. Okay. So once again, that's one of the best way to create a landing page that converts. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. I can't believe it. And if you find it informative and enjoyable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us know if you like it. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. We've got a lot more for you, right? And if you're still hungry for more knowledge or just want to dive deeper into the world of Wix.com, check out some of our other videos, and we love hearing from you in the comments. If you have questions, suggestions, or just want to say hi, drop us a comment below. We read and respond to as many as we can. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.